Hi, welcome to day 4 of Confidence while Healing. If you're new here, I am Suad, and this space is about healing in real time, reclaiming your confidence and becoming the version of you that's always been waiting beneath the wounds. Today, we are talking about something personal. Your body. Your body is not a project. It is a miracle. It is not something to fix. It is something to honor, especially when you are healing emotionally. Because your body holds all of that. And today, we stop pushing it. We start thanking it. Your body has carried the weight of everything you have been through, and it still shows up for you, even when you doubt yourself, even when you hide, even when you hurt it with words, your silence, or your shame. It still showed up. But emotional healing doesn't just happen in the mind, it happens in the body. We store trauma, stress, heartbreak in our chest, our jaw, our stomach, and then we look in the mirror and see something to criticize instead of someone to comfort. Today, we begin something new. Today, we see our body through the eyes of comfort, control, through gratitude, not judgment. There was a time I stood in the mirror and only saw flaws. I measured my worth by what was wrong with me, the weight I carried, the way I didn't fit someone else's version of beauty. But one day I looked again and I whispered, "Thank you, body. You didn't give up on me." And I cried because that was the first time I saw my body as a friend, not a failure, not a project, not a problem. I just saw my body as a miracle that carried me through the hardest season of my life. You don't need a perfect body to feel confident. You need a peaceful relationship with the one you already have. Confidence comes when we return to the body with love. Stand in front of a mirror today. Put your hand over your chest and say this out loud. Thank you, body. I see you. I am learning to love you. Do it scared. Do it through tears. But do it anyway. You are not healing in spite of your body. You are healing with it. If this message touched you, share it. Save it. Return to it whenever your reflection feels heavy. Subscribe because next week, Thursday, we are talking about finding your voice again after being silent for too long. You are not alone in this. You are becoming, and your body is a part of that journey. You're not behind. You are becoming. And I am walking with you with love always. Suad.